I'm gonna try to explain you the the join tool and the merge tool and the difference between them in eFlow Designer. For example, in the previous example, I have split the process and it was an approval process, and by using the split tool, I had sent the approval to two different users, to my manager and to the board of director. And by using this join tool, I can just continue the process by using this join tool. And let's say after this step, I will need both users' approval in order to continue the process. It's the functionality of the join tool. Or instead of join tool, I can use here the merge tool. And if I continue the process design with merge tool, the process will continue as well, but this time from one user the approval will be enough. I will not have to wait both users, if it's an approval process, approval in order to continue process. So these are the functionalities and the differences between join and merge tools in eFlow Designer.